Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Welcome to all of you. My name is Danish Mahajan. I am here to present my PBL3 project. My PBL3 project is calculation of RMS and average in sinusoidal waveform using MATLAB simulation. My group members are Aditya Dike, Suhas Kathekar and Swaraj Karmali. My guide is Chinmay Deshpande sir. So we will start with what is the RMS value in AC. The RMS root mean value, known also as effective virtual value of an alternating current in a value direct current when flow through a circuit or resistance for a specific time period and produce same amount of heat which produced by alternating current AC when flowing through the same circuit or resistor for a specific time. This is diagram for AC current. The value of AC current which will produce the same amount of heat while passing through in a heating element such as resistor as DC produced through the element is called RMS value. The RMS value of alternating current is that when it compared to the direct current, then both AC and DC current produce same amount of heat when flowing through a same circuit for a specific time period. For AC sine wave, RMS value of current and voltage are 0.707 into Im, and for voltage RMS is equals to 0.707 Vm. Method for finding RMS value of sine wave: analytical method. This is a method for finding RMS value by analytical method. These are the formulae for different waveform for RMS voltage. What is the average value? If we convert the alternating current AC sine wave into direct current DC sine wave through rectifier, then the converted value of DC is known as average value of that alternating current sine wave. If the maximum value of alternating current is Imax, then the value of converted DC current through rectifier would be 0.637 Im, which is known as average value of the AC sine wave, that is IAV. These are the equation for average voltage value and average current value. Formula for voltage average is equals to 2 peak voltage upon pi, and for current there is 2 Im upon pi. These are average value and RMS value for different waveform. Here is the circuit of that we have taken in a MATLAB simulation. In when we have taken AC source of 220 volt and a resistance of 1000 ohm is connected with AC source in series. Hence, to measure voltage across the circuit, as voltage block is attached parallelly with AC source. The frequency is in the circuit is 15 Hz. RMS block is available in MATLAB, so that measure voltage is given to RMS block. As we know, V peak is equals to Vrms upon root 2, hence V peak is equals to Vrms into root 2. Hence Vrms equals to 220 volt, V peak is equals to 220 into root 2. Hence we got a source voltage equals to 220 into square root of 2, that is 3.11.1239 volt. These are the equation for the RMS value voltage. From the display, it has been observed that we got a same value of RMS and average of sinusoidal voltage as per calculated, that is Vrms equals to 220 volt and V average equals to 0 volt. So this proved that the calculation we have done and the calculation of MATLAB simulation is same. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.